Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on DeXe. In today's analysis, we will take a look at this big breakout from this falling wedge pattern, and we will also watch this symmetrical triangle on the smaller time frame chart as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to begin with this my recent trade setup that I shared for my members at the Patreon on DeXe, and that was the formation of a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern. And you can see it was just entered the buying zone, and I was expecting, by the way, up to 44% pump, and this pattern was formed on the 4-hour time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And you can see it was moving at 1376, and after playing this chart, we can see that the price line rallied up to 2099. That was more than 52% pump, and right now the price line is moving here. And at the same time, we can see that on the weekly time frame chart, DeXe has already broken out a very big falling wedge pattern. It was entered the falling wedge pattern here back in August, at the end of August 2021, and so far it was not able to break out the resistance. And you can see that we have so many touch points at the support, several touch points at the resistance, and here even in the previous week it was broken out on 11th of July, and right now this is the third week after this breakout. We are above the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. Here we had our key support at $2.60 previously back here in the month of June 2021. It was working as a support, and recently we have tested this support several times on this weekly time frame chart on several weeks, and after testing the support, it rallied very well, and now it is reached to the next resistance here at $4.15. And previously this $4.15 has been working as a strong resistance here, and for 2 weeks recently it is again working as a resistance, and previously here almost as a support, and here as a support, and here as a support as well. This level was working as support, and after this level we will have the next resistance at $5.62, and you can see from 24th of January to here 25th of April, it has been working as a strong support for several weeks, and here almost as a support as well, and here as a resistance. And after $5.62 we will have the next resistance at $7.66, and this level has been working as a very strong resistance from the end of January 2022 to here start of April. And before that, here for 3 weeks it has been working at a resistance, and after this resistance our next resistance will be here at $11. Now if we switch to the daily time frame chart, then we can see that the major move recently, the major move after this drop of DeXe is between $3 to $4.15 on the daily time frame chart. You can see that we have tested this $3 here on 11th of May. After this drop, we have again tested it here for several days. We have tested it here, and for a while we broke it down for a few days, and once it was broken down, then it flipped into the resistance, and after testing this resistance, finally the price line broke it out here and again tested this level, and now it has reached this resistance of $4.15. Now if it will be completely rejected, you can see it is again and again making attempts to break it out, but if it will be completely rejected, then it can again test this support of $3. And how we can confirm that it is completely rejected or not, for that we need to switch to the more small time frame chart, like here on the 4-hour time frame chart. You can see that it has stuck in this symmetrical triangle, and now you can see that the triangle is getting squeezed, so at any time it can break out or break down the resistance. The critical thing over here is that you can see that we have a pressure to the downside more than this resistance, because the price line is testing the support more than the resistance, and the more it will test the support, the more there will be chances for the breakdown. Now for example, if DeXe breaks down this triangle from here then our target to the downside will be approximately at $3.14 to 15 cents. And for example, if we will have a breakout, then our target to the upside will be approximately $4.03. So if we are going to break down, then there will be a very high probability that we will also test this support of 3 cents as well. And if we'll break out, then it can also make another attempt to break out this $4.15 resistance as well. And now let's take a look at the final target for this big falling wedge pattern. Well, that will be here at the top of the wedge, and here we also have a very strong resistance as well that will be approximately at $22. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.